Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. And this is me Logunathan. And this video regarding the Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission Examination Professional Answer Keys. And already I have uploaded two parts. So the first nursing related questions, around 120 questions already I have uploaded. And the remaining GK questions and English grammatical questions, which is much important for that upcoming examinations also, I'm going to discuss on this video. Almost around remaining 50 questions I'm going to discuss on this video with complete solved answers. And if you are first time viewing my channel and the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any videos from my channel. We'll go for the today's discussion with the GK professional answer keys for that HPSSC answers. And if you are searching for the rest of the questions, you can go and check it with the video description for the link, or else you can check the video playlist for the remaining two parts. We'll go with the today's GK's questions. The seals found at Indus Valley sites are made up of silver, bronze, and steatite, none of the above. And here the correct answer is C, steatites. The next question. The philosophy propounded in that Upanishad is known as Yoga, Vedanta, Advaita, Samkhya. So the correct answer is D, Samkhya. So the next question. The important administrative functionaries in that Mayan's age were known as. The options are Tritas, Amitias, Mandrians, and Yuktas. So the correct answer is Tritas. So the next question. Who found the Chola Empire? Vijayalaya, Rajendra I, Rajaraja, Vijayantra. So the correct answer is Vijayalaya. The next question. The only Sultan who declared himself Caliph was Alauddin Khilji and Mubarak Shah Khilji, Kushan Shah, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So the correct answer is Mubarak Shah Khilji. So the next question. The famous peacock throne originally belongs to Humayun, Shah Jahan, Akbar, Nadir Shah. So the correct answer is Shah Jahan. Next question. Tipu Sultan was finally defected at the hands of Lord Cornwallis, Lord Ballisil, Lord Dalhousie, John Shorey. So the correct answer is Lord Ballisil. The next question. The Pratana Samaj was established by Jyotipa Boli, N.G. Ranade, Admaram Bandurang, Raha Rahman Roy. The correct answer is Admaram Bandurang. The next question. The Black Mountains has originated as a result of flooding, faulting, volcanic eruption, all of this. So the correct option is faulting. The next question. The horizontal movement of air is called wind, jet stream, air mass, and pressure belt. So the correct answer is wind. So next question. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is Sumatra, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Madagascar. So the correct answer is Madagascar. So the next one. Which is not the greenhouse gas? Methane, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, and nitrogen. So the correct answer is nitrogen. So the next question. Which of the following is structurally the most stable region? The Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Deccan Plateaus, the Himalaya, the Punjab Plain. So the correct answer is the Deccan Plateau. So next question. On which river the Marble Falls located? Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, and Tapati. The correct answer is Narmada. So next question. A body falling freely under the action of gravity has no weight and minimum weight, maximum weight, and no effect on its weight. The correct answer is no weight. So next question. The friction in that flowing fluid is called density, surface tension, viscosity, and none of the above. The correct answer is viscosity. So the next question. The water is a linear compound, polar compound, non-polar compound, electrovalent compound. So the correct answer is polar compound. So the next question. 95% ethanol is called rectified spirit, absolute alcohol, methylate spirit, and power alcohol. So the correct answer is rectified spirit. So the next question, 139. From where we borrowed the parliamentary form of government? Russia, Ireland, and Britain, and America. So the correct answer is from Britain we have borrowed the parliamentary form of government. So next question, 140. What type of right is not issued under Indian Constitution? Injunction, mandamus, and prohibition, and certiorari. So the correct answer is injunction. So next question. Who administer the oath of office to the president? The options are Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice President, and Prime Minister. So the correct answer is the Chief Justice of India will make the oath for the President office. So next question. So what is that retirement age of judge of Supreme Court? 60 years, 62 years, and 65 years, and 68 years. So the correct answer is till the age of 65 years they can work as a judge under the Supreme Court. So the next question. So the purpose of devolution is to encourage export, discourage export, and encourage import, and none of this. The correct option is discourage the export. So the next one. The capital market regulator is RBI, IRDA, SEBI, and none of this. So the correct option is SEBI. So the next question. The D is B's father, and B is C's sister-in-law, and A is daughter. How is A relate to the D? The options are wife, mother, father, and husband. So the correct option is wife. So the A is related to the D is wife. So the next question. If the fifth day of a month is what day will be the third days after the third Friday in the month? 17, 18, 19, and 22. So the correct option is 19. The next question. Which is the largest district in the area wise for the Himachal Pradesh? Gangra, Kinnaur, and Lahul and Spiti, and Chamba. So the correct option is Lahul and Spiti. The next one. Which district of Himachal Pradesh has lowest scheduled tribes population? Una, Gulu, Srimor, and Solan. So the correct option is Una. So the next question. Indrahar Pass connects Gangra with Padankot, Dalhousie, and Baramos, and Mandi. So the correct option is Barmore. So 150. The Hanuman Tipa in Himachal Pradesh is a temple, glacier, water sports center, and mountain peak. So the correct option is, so the Hanuman Tiba in Himachal Pradesh is called as mountain peak. The next question. The Pin Valley National Park is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? So the options are Simla, Gulu, Mandi, and none of this. So the correct option is the none of this. So the Pin Valley National Park actually located in Gasa Valley. The next question. Jaskar mountain range separate the Himachal Pradesh from Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan and none of this. So the correct option is Tibet. And 153. Who was the first chairman of Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission? LT Jen KS Gatoch and Mach Jen IC Gatoch and JC Malhotra and KC Malhotra. So the correct option is LT Jen KS Gatoch. And the next one. In which year was the Big Landed Estates and Land Reform Acts were passed in the Himachal Pradesh? 1951, 1952, 1954 and 1956. So the correct option is 1954. So the next one also here. Then Gaiety Theatre was opened in the Simla by the British in which year? 1885, 1887, 1891, 1895. So the correct option is 1887. So the next one. Which ruler of Bilspur was forced by the people to leave the state because of his tyrannical rule? Samudragupta, Anand Chand, Raman Chand and none of these. So the correct option is Samudragupta. The next one. Which ruler of Chamba was first to adapt the title of Varman? Sahil Varman, Lakshman Varman, Aditya Varman and none of this. So the correct option is Aditya Varman. And 158. The Himachal Pradesh Technical University is located at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Hamidpur and Dharmasala, Mandit and Solan. So the correct option is Hamirpur. So the next 159. Which major hydel project in Himachal Pradesh is Benif run in collaborate with Russia? Natpa Jagri, Parvati and Karcham Wangto and Coal Dam. So the correct answer is Coal Dam. The next one. The book Himachal Pradesh, Its Shape and State is written by which author? Shantakumar, Dr. Y.S. Parmar and J.C. Prank, O.C. Handa. The correct option is Dr. Y.S. Parmar. So the next question. Suhi Fair is celebrated at which place in Himachal Pradesh? So the options are Pragpur, Palampur, Chamba, Chukalla. So the correct option is Chamba. So the next one. When is the World Barley Day were celebrated every year? January 4, January 22, February 4, February 22. So the correct option is January 4. The next one. Which state has recently launched a helpline for women called Damini? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. So the correct option is Uttar Pradesh. The next one. 164. Sunita Lahra, who announced her retirement recently, is the famous Indian player of which sports? So the options are tennis, badminton, hockey and cricket. So the correct option is hockey. So next one. The meaning of idiom to beat the air is to make frantic effort, to act foolishly, to make effort that are useless or vain, to make every possible effort. So the correct option is to make the effort that are useless or vain. So the next question 166. The antonym of the word magnanimous is selfish, navy, generous and small. So the correct option is selfish. The next question. You must dash your career with all seriousness. Direct, complete, follow and perceive. So the correct option is you must pursue your career with all seriousness. The remaining 3 Hindi related questions they have asked from the language of Hindi. And if this video or the GK questions were much informative, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like and share the video. And thanks for joining with me once again.